Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Open Settings and verify Super Fast Charge or PD is listed. This ensures the phone accepts high-watt input. Next, plug in a certified USB-C PD charger rated 25W or higher and a quality USB-C to USB-C cable. Cheap cables limit power. Once connected, close background apps and enable airplane mode or do not disturb to reduce load. Make sure the phone isn't hot, since thermal limits throttle charging speed. Now begin the actual fast charge sequence. Always plug the charger into the wall outlet before attaching the cable to the phone so negotiation completes cleanly. When you connect, check for the super fast charging animation or indicator in the status bar. If there's a toggle in settings, enable it to allow higher current. Make sure nothing else draws power from the phone. Remove peripherals and avoid using power-hungry apps. While you monitor temperature and percent increases to complete, unplug at 80–90% for the best balance of speed and longevity, or go to 100% if you need full capacity now. Make sure to disconnect the charger safely. If charging is unexpectedly slow, first test with the original charger and cable and try another outlet. Sometimes negotiation fails. Restart the phone to clear software holdups, then inspect the USB-C port for lint or corrosion. If problems persist, run Samsung Diagnostics or contact support to check battery health limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.